everyone. So today I have got a different sort of advent calendar to unbox for you, but I don't know if a lot of you know, but secretly I'm a little bit of a nerd. I mean, you should probably see my little toad there. I love Mario, things like that. I love lots of things, but yeah, I am secretly, I would say, a little bit of a nerd. I'm not embarrassed about it one bit. But when I seen this advent calendar, I was like, oh, I just have to have this for myself. This is an advent calendar I bought just purely for myself. But I thought maybe a lot of you are a little bit like me, you know? So this is the Supernatural advent calendar. I really wish they would do a Vampire Diary one. Is that a thing? If you know that's a thing, let me know. This cost me £18 from the Abe website, but they do have it ranging around the £20 mark. This is the official advent calendar of Supernatural. Join the hunt, 25 days of super surprises with mini books, mementos and many more. So it's like a collector's item, collector's advent calendar, something like that. I love Supernatural. It's like one of my favourite series. It's so big, and honestly, if I could choose a husband for myself, I think Dean, him and Chris Pratt, but Dean I would say is just up there. He gets better looking as he gets older. He's not even called Dean, you know that, but you know who I'm on about. Oh my god, he's just so handsome. Just thinking about how handsome he is. Yeah. So I got this advent calendar to unbox for you because I'm secretly like a little bit of a nerd and I love Supernatural. So yeah, this is honestly 100% just for myself. So this works out about 80 pence a day because it's a 25-day advent calendar. So it's absolutely fab. So the inside looks even better. So this is the inside. I'm going to like slow-mo over it. So it's like little paper envelopes. I mean, look at it. Oh, I'm just so excited to show you what you get in. So it's like a stationary advent calendar, I feel like. Yeah, but we're going to unbox it anyways and see what's inside this Supernatural advent calendar. Shame we couldn't open it and it would just be Dean, you know. That would be nice. So this advent calendar works out about 80 pence a day, and I feel like all my Supernatural fans will appreciate this with me. So this is what the advent calendar looks like here. I'm very excited. So we've got day number 1, which I don't know whether these are sealed. Yeah, they're sealed with a little glue tab, but I don't want to rip them. So this is day number 1, and let's see what we've got in here. We have got the Winchester's Bros brand rock salt, and see how they repels fairies, spirits, ghosts, demons and witches. I think it's just like a notepad, like a little notepad. Yeah, it is. Mini notepad. How cute is that? Oh my god, so cute. You know, for the stationery lovers. Right, so that was day number 1. We want day number 2. Let me know if you see it. I am blind as a bat. Day number 2 right underneath. Oh, I love this car and all. I love muscle cars, if you don't know. They're so nice looking. And this is little Christmas tags. I love that. Whether these items are going to be worth 80 pence a day. Oh, we've got a bit of Crowley. Love that. You're getting Sam Dean Castiel on this one. I just love that. I really like that, to be honest. So in day number 3, which is this one here. Oh, we're going to get a pencil. We have got a pencil, and it's got Dean's car, it's got Hellback on, it's got Supernatural on. It's very, very fangirly. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's something we can use all the time. Yeah, I like that a lot. That is day number 3. We want day number 4. Day number 4 is here, and it's got Sam and Dean on the front. It's got a lot of the imagery from them. I just love it. Love, love, love it. It is another little book. It is the Men of Letters Beastry book. Oh, so it's like an actual little book. It's got things about the monsters in, ghouls. Oh yeah, I like that. That is fab. You know, if you're like, honestly, I'm gonna put these little memento bits in my scrapbook. So that is day number 4. We want day number 5, which is down here. And we have got We have got recipes. We have got recipes on how to cook the scarecrow apple pie and the Winchester surprise. Okay, that's different. And it actually tells you how to cook them on the back. Okay, I mean, I'll give it a go. I'll try these recipes and see what they're like. I actually really like that. Actually, that's something different. That's day number 5. We want day number 6, which is this tiny, tiny little envelope here. I really don't want to rip it because I'm going to keep the actual packaging. And when I actually get a wardrobe like what I want, I'm going to have this on the shelf. So, by the looks of it, this is a pin which I think I'll give to Kieran. He collects pins. This is Supernatural Join the Hunt pin. So this is definitely fab for collectors and stuff like that. Yeah, that is really, really good. Really, really good. I like that. So that was day number 6. I wonder if you can get American Horror Story one. We want day number 7. Day number 7 is this one here. We have got, oh, it's a Christmas tag, Christmas baubles. I don't know whether I would put these on my tree, but I might. The first one is to Hellenbach, Supernatural Join the Hunt. That is that one. And then, oh, and please don't comment with any spoilers of how Supernatural dies, because I haven't watched the last season yet. Yes, please, please, please don't comment on that. How Supernatural ends, because I haven't seen that one yet. And it says here, I'm always happy to bleed for the Winchester brothers. I love it. Now, I love Supernatural, but I'm not like one of those people who collects many things from, you know, like, I like my Disney palette collection, but I'm not like a collector of things much. But I do like a few things of stuff I love. So day number 7. So we want day number 8, which is this one here. And what are you? We have got some stickers. Oh, they're webcam stickers. That's good, actually. I will use these. These are just little stickers to obviously cover your webcam, and I will definitely use them. That is something good. I like them. I like that they're useful and all. So that was day number 8. We wanted day number 9, which is this one here. We have got another little booklet, and it says Monsters, Demons and Spirits, a Supernatural mini colouring book. Oh, that's fab. Isn't that fab? And it's all little scenes of the movie. Of the series. Oh my god. Just, yeah, I love that. Love that. We want date number 10 is down here. I'm really trying my hardest not to rip it, but these sticky tabs are quite sticky. We have got another recipe cards. We have got Castiel Angel Food Cake. Doesn't have an image on of this one though. And then we've got Bickerson's Garlic Knots. I am definitely going to try these. I really like the sound of trying these bits. Yes, that was day number 10. We want day number 11, which is already kind of open. It's here. It looks like it might be a key ring. Oh, it's Castiel. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cheap and tacky. I love it. You guys know how I feel about stuff like this. Yeah. I think it's Castiel. I think it's going to be Castiel. I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm such a nerd. I'm such a nerd. On day number 12. It's this one up here. It is the Ghost Faces sticker. I feel like that is very stingy. We should have got more than just that in that day. I feel like maybe there is No, I just can't feel it, and I don't want to rip the packet. But yeah, I feel like that was very stingy. I mean, these days aren't going to be super worth it, you know. This is a novelty advent calendar, but even now, the novelty factor, that was stingy. Right, that was day number 12. We want day number 13, which is this one here. We have got a little magnet. It is a breakfast pig in a poke with toast and I can't read that word, the last word, but I love that. I absolutely love that. I wish we got more magnets, to be honest. Yeah, I love that. That is a magnet. Oh yes, that was 13. We want day number 14. It's this one here. So we've got another magnet in this magnet. I just like really looked at it. It says driver picks the music, shotgun shuts his cake hole. Yeah, I love that. Really like that. It was quite hard to get out. So I'm just gonna slightly have it near the top. That was very hard to get out. So you went to day number 15. I'm very enjoying this. This is oh, it's for the back of your phone. Oh yes, it says join the hunt supernatural, and it's like a sticky thing for the back of your phone, and you put your cards in it. Yeah, that is going on my phone case 100%. I love that. Love that. Yeah, that is my favourite day so far. That was day number 15 for sure. So we want day number 16, which is this one here, and it is oh, it's a proper little notepad. I love this. It's a sticky pad, so like a post-it note. Definitely will use that. Definitely. It's got like what they have tattooed on them to stop the demons going inside of them, basically. Yeah, I love that. Number 17. It's another little one, so I'm guessing a pin again. If it is, I'm going to give this like the pins to Kieran for his bag. It is saving people, hunting things, pin, and that is it there. Love that. That was day number 17. We want day number 18, which is this one here. We've got some more Christmas baubles. We have got ones with the actual characters on. Gentle Eccles, and oh my god, I'm such a bad fan. I'm not like major fangirl. Well, I am a fan. Yeah, so we've got the one with Sam and we've got baubles with Sam and Dean on. Fab, and that's the other side. Fab. That was day number 18. We went day number 19. Up here, we have got more recipe cards. Oh my god, I love it. I actually love it. We've got Jack's breakfast cereal milkshake. We have got Healthquake salad shake. And then we've got Sucro Go grilled corn. Love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, I love that. Absolutely love that. We want day number 20, which is here. We have got another sticker. It is To Hell and Back, Supernatural, Join the Hunt. Fab. Bit better than the last sticker day as well. We want day number 21, which is this one here. And it is another little book, and it's a little pop quiz trivia booklet, and it says how to so it's like for a trivia night. And some of the questions is, what is Crowley's most common nickname? For Sam, it's Moose. What is the name of Sam and Dean's father? What does Dean affectionately call his car? How old is Dean when he reconnects Sam in the pilot episode? Which angel saves Dean from hell, then becomes the Winchester's friend and companion on many hunts? And then it's got the answers and then more questions. I'm going to play that. Absolutely fab. I love that little book. Well, what day was that? that was day number 21, and I actually might do that with my hubby and see which one knows the most. So that was day number 21. We want day number 22. 22 is this one here. Day number 22 is this little one in this corner, and it was quite hard to get out. It is another keyring, and it is the driver picks the music keyring. I just love it. I think it's so cute. Yeah, I absolutely love that. So that's another cute like memorabilia thing. That was 22. We were on day number 23. I've seen this recently. Down here, it is pencils. Coloured pencils, probably for the colouring book, to be honest. Yeah, we've got 4 coloured pencils, but it has the pentagram on there. Can you see? I can't believe I just said pentagon. How funny is that? Pentagram. You knew what I meant. Oh my god, I'm such a ditz sometimes. Yeah, so that's day number 23. Went day number 24, this one here. What do you think we're getting in this one? It's quite hard. Keep these little envelopes like right. A little iron-on badge. How cute is that? I love that. We have a little iron-on badge. Fab, fab, fab. So excited about that. I'm going to give that a Kieran too. And then day number 25. What have we got in the last day? Let's have a look. Okay. Number 25 is a big Gerson sizzling grill and bar. This is a thing to put around your coffee cup so your hand doesn't get cold. Hot, sorry. And then 4 supernatural coffee stirrers, basically. I love the coffee stirrers, and I will probably use them as bookmarks if I'm being truly honest. I feel like they were a bit of a letdown for the last day, but overall, you know, they waste about 80 pence a day. Now, this isn't one of them advent calendars you're getting value for your money sort of in product wise. This is a novelty factor for people who love supernatural, and I really enjoyed it. A couple of the items I'm going to gift to Kieran, so they're coming in handy, and then a few of the items I'm going to probably give to, like, say, family, and then a couple of the items which I'm going to keep for myself. And then I've got this book thing that I wanted for my shelf, basically. I wanted it for my shelf, and then I could open it and see all these bits. I'm going to use some of the bits in my scrapbook. So overall, I'm happy that I got it for myself. But this isn't one that you're going to get value for money, vice versa, something like that. This is something whether you think it's cute enough and novelty enough for yourself. I wonder if they do an American Horror Story one, because I think Kieran would like that. He loves American Horror Story. And I'd love a Vampire Diaries one if they did it. I'm going to look. I've got my mind on it. But yeah, I like this. It was just fun for me, really. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox this. And maybe you might have found something that might be a good gift for your boyfriend or something like that. You know? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.